Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Appwrite. Today we are going to learn how to update a document. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the update a document. Okay, so here we have to get the document ID, and whatever you want to update, you can go with that one. Okay, just I'm going to update that one. So here I'm going to add which one I need to update. Okay, so here I need to pass like this, and let's make a comma over there, and here we require the document ID. So helmet 22, we have the document ID like this, so let's update this title. Okay, so just we have to update the ID. Okay, fine. Now delete document is replaced by the update document. Okay, and then here we have to just add the messages. Fine, and call this function. Let's hit this, and the data is updated. Let's have a look. This is helmet 22 and it should be changed to Macbeth. Okay, so this is how you can update a record. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.